In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to your WordPress website. So this is actually a nice and easy tutorial. The first thing you need to do is just head over to your WordPress dashboard, and then from the left-hand side, select Plugins. From this Plugins page, come up to the top and select Add New Plugin, and then in the Search plugin box, just type in Google Reviews, and then hit Enter. Now, the plugin that we're going to be installing is this Widgets for Google Reviews. So just go and click on the Install Now button, and once this is finished installing, simply click on the Activate button, and that should take you straight over to the review plugin. Otherwise, what you can do is come down on the left and select trustindex.io. And then once you're on this page, the first thing we need to do is link up the review plugin to our Google reviews. So we're going to do that by clicking on this green Connect button. And from the search box, you just want to go and type in the business that you have on Google. So for example, the business that I'm going to be linking and where I want to pull all these Google reviews from is called the Rolled Ice Cream Factory, and it's this one at the top located in Bristol. So I'm going to click on this and then select Connect. So now that we've connected our Google business, you'll be able to see the current reviews that you have for this business. And now from this page, we're just going to select the slider that we want to use for the layout. Now there's a bunch of different free ones that we can choose. I'm just going to go ahead and pick on slider 2 and click select. Then once again, you have some styling options. So just go through the list and pick the style that you like the best. I'm going to go for this kind of drop shadow effect and hit select. And then finally, we're going to have a few more customization options here. Now, I won't go through all of these as it really just comes down to personal preference, but you could do things like filter your ratings, so only show 5-star ratings, for example. And then we have some other format options here as well to the right. And once you finish, just go ahead and click on Save and Get Code. And then finally, we have this shortcode that we can use and add to any of our WordPress pages. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button, and then you'll need to head over to either the post or the page where you want to add these reviews to. So I'm going to be adding them in this About section over here. So what we're going to do is come over to the Edit Page button, and then all you need to do is paste the shortcode that we just copied in this box here. And as you can see, WordPress will automatically detect that this is a shortcode. And once we pasted that in here, we can click on Save. And now if I head over to the live version of this page, you can see down here right at the bottom, we now have this review widget. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.